This is the Belkin adapter. It gives you the option to plug in an Ethernet cord into the adapter into your iPhone to provide access to the internet. You can use it while in airplane mode. So what's great about this adapter, you can see that I am in airplane mode right now. I have the Belkin plugged into my phone and the Ethernet cord plugged into the adapter. And if I click on a website, it does load, so we can see that I am connected to the internet right now. It also has the option to plug in a charger. So right now my battery is at 31%. So if I plug in the charger, we can see the little lightning bolt there that shows that it is charging. What's great about having the option to plug in the power source is that it protects the health of your battery of your phone. So there are other adapters out there that require a power source, but if your phone doesn't need to be charged, this can actually have a negative impact on the health of your battery. This adapter is compatible with iPhone 7 Plus all the way to 11 Pro, as well as several different models of iPad as well. So lots of great compatibility there. One thing to keep in mind with the charger cable is that instead of plugging it into a wall, you may want to plug it into a mobile battery pack. This will just allow you to move around a little bit more with the adapter plugged into your phone, and then also reduces the EMF radiation caused when you plug into a wall source from the 2-prong plug. So the Belkin adapter, really great product to be able to use your phone in airplane mode, not using your data, connecting right to the internet.
Hey, we have a question about this, and the question is, what can you actually do on the phone? Can you make calls? Can you text? Can you use FaceTime? And can you use apps? What can you and can you not do?
FaceTime and sending iMessages, Apple has designed that so it can only be done using data or Wi-Fi. So unfortunately that does not work over Ethernet, but there are other apps. I tend to use WhatsApp, where you can still send messages to people and you can video call through that. You can also video call through Facebook Messenger and through Instagram messaging. They both have video chat functionality as well, but you won't be able to make regular calls with your phone, FaceTime or iMessages. But pretty much everything else that you would want to use your phone for that would require an internet connection will work. So getting onto social media, sending emails, playing different games, all of that will work as well.
Awesome. Okay, so we'll put a link to this Belkin adapter in the notes below, and enjoy using this technique.